morning, everyone. Hope you're doing well. It is Monday, and man, I am over trading today. I traded like 4 times. I don't know what is wrong with me today. I traded the same stock like 3 times, which is totally what I should not have done. But let me kind of go through everything that I did today. My first trade was ECYT, which I traded a bunch of times. Let me remove some of these lines. Um, it's like having like the most volume, and it's been moving up pretty strong all day so far. Actually, a couple stocks been moving up kind of strong, but let's see. The first one was right here. Damn it, there we go. So you see my red and my green arrow, my red arrow right here. So I bought in at 184 and I got at 189. When I was looking at this 189 level, where the yellow lines at, it was absorbing a lot of shares at 189 on the level 2 right here. I mean, on the time and sales right here. And it was just having a hard time breaking it. So I just kind of sold it. And then right after I sold it, it went up to like 193, 94, whatever. So unfortunately, I sold it too soon as usual. But that was like a quick 20 bucks. But waiting for that time and sales, like it was just 189, 189, 189, just like kept coming and coming and coming. And I was like, damn, it's not going to break it. But as soon as I sold it, that's when it broke it, of course. Um, so yeah, I'm definitely too impatient still. I gotta work on that more. The second one I traded was RIGL. Let's see where I traded that. Oops, what am I pressing? There we go. Okay, so RIGL right here. Let me just remove these lines so they don't distract me. So my green arrow right here, my red arrow. So I bought at 311, sold 315. This one kind of was doing the same thing. I was hitting this 315, and it was kind of just absorbing that number. But as you can see, it spiked all the way up to 327. So I missed out on all of this. So I was just again way too impatient. I saw just a small gain from here, like again another 20 bucks. And then I just didn't hold it. But like, look, this was a mistake. Like I should have, like I sold at the bottom pretty much of this candle right here. So I kind of made that mistake on that one. I don't know if I make this bigger, probably help. So yeah, I messed up on that one. It was like I said, it was a gain though, but I was way too soon. I was way too impatient. And then ECYT, I pretty much played uh the rest of the day foolishly. So I was getting angry. But let's see. So I bought at 230 and got out at 233. So this green arrow right here, I bought and then a little bit to about 233 because I was looking for the 232 break, which was kind of going along right here where you see this like top of the candle. So it came down and it was testing right here, it was testing right here, and it was right here, then it came up one damn cent, and then it came back down. So I missed that, and you can see my red arrow right here. I sold at 228. So I got out, and then it came all the way down to about 219. So I didn't get too much money lost, but that was a bad move. And then again, I was just like, ECYT is continuing to be like it was like kind of doing this ascending triangle where it was going up like this, and I was watching it. So after this move right here failed, and now I'm looking at it again, and I'm like, fuck this, I'm gonna play it again. And I bought it at it came up a little higher this time, 235, and I got up to 240, And as you can see right now, it's still trying to get up there, but it wasn't holding and it came down again. And I sold right here at 231, so I lost twice. So I made 2 green trades and then 2 red trades. And I'm kind of at that point now where I'm gotta stop like 4 trades in like the first hour of the day. Like I'm spending too much money. That's like $40 in commissions right there, unfortunately. So I was doing so good in the beginning of the day. I traded 2 separate stocks. I won on both of them. I should have moved on, but as always, my mindset is when I'm making money, and especially if it's on one stock, it's like I want to stay in it. I want to stay in it. That's such a bad habit. I got to stop that. Um, and also trading EYCT. The 200-day moving average was around $2. So when I was making like my first initial trade, which was 184 up to 189, I was planning to get out of it quickly because as soon as it was getting closer to that 200-day moving average, which is $2, I didn't want to get stopped by that. But as you can see, like it's clearly gone up since then. So it's really been moving, and it keeps moving up this ascending triangle kind of pattern. Like it just keeps going. Like to be honest, like I still think it could still be played. Like it's probably gonna break out like right now, like literally right now. Yeah, see, fucking look at that. Just broke right above this high of day. Right when I fucking say shit, 240, now it's 242, 243. You can see it's absorbing, or it's absorbing though. 241, 241, 241, 241, 242. 241. So like it's stuck, right? It's stuck here right now. It's trying to take out all the level twos. 240, now it's 243, 244. Now it's going up. So like I could have been in this right now. And this is probably the breakout that I was looking for. Yeah, see 247. Like see now it's coming back. It's doing just quick breaks, and then just giving up its money real quick. It's not staying consistent. But I gotta I gotta get better at not playing a stock so many times for sure. And then also it's kind of difficult because like multiple stocks are breaking out at once, so it's like watching, or it's like choosing which one to break out. I was going with ECYT because it was just giving the most, and it was just continuing upwards. Like look at it on like a 5 minute. Like look at this thing on a 5 minute, just fucking straight up. Like it's been doing so much. Like I traded here, I traded here, I traded here, and I kept trying to play it. As imagine if I just bought it at the 930 when it was at 166 and it's already at 243. That would have been a huge run if I was patient. If I was patient, that could have been a huge gain, a huge gain for me. Like having like 500 shares on a stock that moved, close to almost a whole dollar, like 80 cents. Like that would have been fucking amazing. But I gotta learn, I gotta get better, gotta improve. So that's the name of the game. I'm gonna keep at it. I'm gonna try to keep making these videos, so hopefully you all don't make my dumb mistakes. But anyway, that's all I'm gonna do for today. Like I said, I traded 4 times. I gotta stop. I'm doing too much. It's $40 in commissions just gone. So, anyways, happy Monday. See you all next video.